How to install valve cover kit. Complete kit includes all seals and gaskets needed for a complete repair. First, remove the engine cover. Next, reposition or remove the following components: main wiring harness, spark plugs, oil pack harness, PCV tube. Once components are out of the way, unbolt and remove valve cover. When cover is removed, corrosion is clearly visible on original part. Be sure to remove original breather before continuing on. The breather on the replacement part is built into the cover. The new valve cover kit includes required bolts and gaskets. Install new cover loosely to ensure proper fit. Finally, properly torque bolts in sequence per shop manual, then reinstall all components.